Hey everyone! Are you tired of chasing quick trades and want to build wealth the smart way? Today, we're talking about dividend stock, companies that pay you just for holding their shares. Yep, that's right, passive income while you sleep. I'll share my top 5 dividend stocks for long-term wealth, plus how you can use them to create consistent cash flow month after month. So hit that like button and let's dive in. Dividend stocks are companies that share a portion of their profits with investors through regular payouts, usually every quarter. It's like getting a paycheck just for owning part of a business. These are perfect for investors who want stability, consistent income, and less stress compared to high volatility trading. Dividends can be reinvested to grow your portfolio faster. That's called compounding. Over time, those reinvested dividends can seriously boost your returns. Think of it as turning your portfolio into a money-generating machine. Stock number 1. First up, Johnson & Johnson, a healthcare giant with over 60 years of consecutive dividend increases. Their stability and diversified products make them a top pick for consistent payouts. Stock number 2. Next, Coca-Cola, one of Warren Buffett's favorite holdings. With a global brand and reliable dividend yield around 3%, Coke's payouts have stood strong through recessions and booms alike. Stock number 3, Procter Gamble owns brands like Tide, Pampers, and Gillette. People buy their products no matter what's happening in the economy. That's why PG has raised dividends for over 60 years straight. Stock number 4. Known as the monthly dividend company, Realty Income pays dividends every single month. With steady cash flow from real estate leases, it's a favorite for investors seeking predictable passive income. Stock number 5. Finally, ExxonMobil, one of the best dividend payers in the energy sector. Oil demand might fluctuate, but Exxon's dividend history and solid balance sheet make it a reliable long-term play. Diversify your dividend portfolio across multiple sectors: healthcare, consumer goods, energy, and real estate, to reduce risk and ensure steady income even during downturns. So, which dividend stock is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. If you want to receive weekly AI-powered stock picks and passive income strategies, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more wealth-building tips every week. Remember, consistency beats speed in investing. See you in the next one.